Hello and welcome. So how was your practice in the previous lesson? I have tried with 200 characters and this is my result. I have got 71 points at the typing speed of 221 characters per minute with 2 typing errors. So don't forget to put your points in the discussion section so you can compare with each other. Now let's move on to the next lesson, and in this lesson we are going to cover T and I. So this is the third lesson. Let's start the training, and this is it. So in case of T, you need to extend your index finger of your left hand in a slightly angled direction. It is not just above the F key, so you need to just push a little bit to the T, and in case of I, you need to use your right middle finger. So it is just above the key of K, so it will be easy. So while practicing, you can pronounce the character loud if you can, or otherwise you can pronounce it silently, then press the key. It will help you to remember the keys, and it will also help you to develop the muscle memory you need. So see you in the next lecture.